The purchase process is a critical component of business operation as it enables your business to obtain resources from resale, production, and operational use. In this video, we will walk through the process of adding and creating the supplier's purchase invoice in Milmall. To do so, from your dashboard, you navigate towards the menu and then you click on Purchases. Under Purchases, you navigate to Add Purchase button. You click on Add Purchase. Once the form pops up, you fill in important information such as the supplier. You can choose to select one from your suppliers list, let's say K company. You skip reference number because this number is generated by the system. The purchase date, it corresponds to today's date usually, and the purchase status indicates whether the goods have been ordered, are pending, or have arrived in your stock. When you say that it have been received, that means those goods will affect your stock and your stock will change accordingly. And the other thing to choose, when you have more than one business you can oversee for purchase purposes in the global business, then you can choose whichever branch this purchase invoice apply to. In this case, let's choose main branch. Once it's done, you navigate towards the purchase order. But since this is a simple form of purchase invoice, there is no existing purchase order that have been made. So we proceed to add the product we purchased from the supplier. And we have two products to add. We will be adding them by selecting or searching them by their name. So for now, the name that we put in, it seems like it doesn't not exist on our current product catalog. So we can either choose to create a new one, but for now we are looking at how to add a product that's already existing in the system, in the catalog. So we can choose to look for another product to add, and let's say art, product that starts with art. So we have both products on our list of things to purchase. We will be changing the quantity. Let's say we want to order 100 dozens on a price of, we'll be changing the net cost. Instead of 1,000, the purchase price have increased by 200, so we make it 1,200. Same for action tablets. We'll be purchasing 500 pieces on a price of $90 per piece. So, and here you actually have other things to fill in. If the product has a lot number, this is when you can add a lot number, same as the expiry date for that particular stock in this field. For instance, for the tablets, we know that it usually has an expiry date. So, and as well as a batch number. Let's say a batch number is 5, 6, 7, 8, and it will be expiring in like 6 months from now. Once it's done, you check the net total amount and you see the calculation if that's right. If there is any discount at this point, you can add it here so that it can be subtracted from the amount. And you can also add tax if these products are taxable. Once that's done, then you keep on scrolling down to if there is any extra charges concerning shipment. Also, the expense can be added here. For us, it will be a free delivery, so the shipment was 0. And on payment, this depends on whether at this current date you already paid for this purchase invoice. If you haven't paid no money upfront, then we can leave it at 0. Once this is done, you save. Once you save, okay, we didn't specify now. Once you're done with everything and double checking, then you click on save to save the purchase invoice. At the top of the list of purchases made, you will see that you have recorded that purchase. To view it, you come on action, you navigate to action, this action button, you click on it, and you click on this view, but the label with an eye, it shows you all the detailed information from the supplier as well as the business involved in this transaction, reference number and the date of transaction. And they also give you the historic of payments for this particular purchase. And for us, it states that the goods have been received and the total amount that we owe toward the supplier, and it seems like none have been paid. And once you're satisfied, you can choose to print out to save it locally on your computer. Once you click on print, it gets you to the print interface, and on print you can choose your destination. If it's toward a printer as printing on hard paper, then you choose the printer to send it to, or you can choose to save it as a PDF. With that choice, then once you click on save, it gives you direction on to choose where to save the PDF to. And that's how you view and print out a purchase invoice. And thank you for watching.